Hey there, adventure seekers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting two of Garmin's latest heavy hitters head-to-head, the Garmin Instinct 3 and the Garmin Enduro 3. Both of these smartwatches are built for outdoor enthusiasts, but they cater to slightly different needs. So, which one should you pick? Let's break it down and help you make the right choice. Let's kick things off with how these watches are built. The Garmin Instinct 3 stays true to its rugged DNA. It features a fiber-reinforced polymer case and metal-reinforced bezels, designed to take a beating in the great outdoors. It's lightweight, comfortable, and comes in vibrant colors, adding a bit of personality to your adventures. The Garmin Enduro 3, on the other hand, is built for endurance. It features a premium design with a titanium or steel bezel and a nylon strap that's lightweight yet incredibly durable. It's made for those who demand not just toughness but also top-tier materials. If you're looking for a watch that's rugged and practical, the Instinct 3 wins. But if you want something that's premium and built for ultra-endurance athletes, the Enduro 3 is the better pick. When it comes to displays, the Instinct 3 gives you options. It's available with either a vibrant AMOLED display or a solar-charged monochrome display. Both are easy to read in bright sunlight, but the AMOLED models are especially striking. The Enduro 3, however, focuses entirely on function over form. It features a power-efficient, always-on memory and pixel (MIP) display. While it may not have the flashiness of AMOLED, it's designed to maximize battery life without compromising visibility. If display quality matters to you, the Instinct 3's AMOLED models take the lead. But if you value battery efficiency, the Enduro 3's MIP display is unmatched. Both watches are loaded with features, but there are key differences. The Garmin Instinct 3 covers all the basics: GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and a built-in flashlight. It's a solid all-arounder for outdoor activities. The Enduro 3, however, takes tracking to the next level. It's built for endurance athletes, offering features like VO2 Max for trail running, advanced training analytics, and ultra-run tracking modes. It also comes with preloaded topographic maps and support for multi-band GPS, making it perfect for ultramarathoners and serious adventurers. If you're into general outdoor activities, the Instinct 3 is a great choice. But for those who push their limits and need advanced tracking, the Enduro 3 is the clear winner. Battery life is a critical factor when choosing a smartwatch, and both these models shine in this department. The Garmin Instinct 3 offers excellent battery performance, especially the solar models. With enough sunlight, you can even achieve unlimited battery life in smartwatch mode. The Enduro 3, as the name suggests, is built for endurance. It's optimized for long activities, offering up to 40 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and 110 hours in GPS mode. Even without solar charging, it outlasts most competitors. If battery life is your main concern, the Enduro 3 has a significant edge, especially for ultra-endurance activities. But the Instinct 3's solar models are hard to beat for day-to-day use and extended adventures. Both watches are built to withstand tough environments, but they're designed for slightly different scenarios. The Instinct 3 meets military-grade standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance. It's a no-nonsense tool that'll keep up with any adventure. The Enduro 3 takes durability to a more premium level. Its titanium or steel build, combined with a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal display, makes it not just tough, but also elegant. It's for those who want durability without sacrificing aesthetics. The Instinct 3 is rugged and ready for anything, while the Enduro 3 combines toughness with sophistication. Now let's talk numbers. The Garmin Instinct 3 is the more affordable option, starting at around $300 for the base models and going up to $450 for solar models. It's an excellent value for what it offers. The Garmin Enduro 3, on the other hand, starts at a hefty $900 and can go over $1,000 depending on the model. It's a big investment, but it's worth it for those who need ultra-endurance features and premium materials. If budget is a concern, the Instinct 3 is the obvious choice. But if you're an endurance athlete willing to invest, the Enduro 3's advanced features are hard to beat. So, which one should you choose? If you're someone who loves the outdoors, wants a rugged smartwatch, and values affordability, the Garmin Instinct 3 is a fantastic pick. It's versatile, durable, and packed with features that cover all the essentials. But if you're an endurance athlete or someone who takes on ultra-long adventures, the Garmin Enduro 3 is the ultimate tool. It's built for performance, offering unmatched battery life, premium materials, and advanced tracking features. And that's a wrap! Which watch do you think is the better fit for your adventures? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.